When a lender asks for a debt schedule, they're not trying to complicate the deal. They're trying to understand your full financial picture. A debt schedule, simple list of all your current business debts, shows who you owe, how much you originally borrowed, what the current balance is, what the monthly payment is, what the interest rate is, and when that actual loan ends. As a broker, you need to explain this clearly to your client. Lenders use this document to calculate your debt servicing coverage ratio. That tells them whether your cash flow can support existing payments plus the new one. They also use it to see if you're over leveraged or carrying high cost of debt. Sometimes it helps identify refinance or consolidation opportunities, so it's important that you look over it, carefully as well. Debt schedules are typically required for SBA loans, bank term loans, and larger lines of credit. If the meaningful, a debt schedule will be requested. If your client doesn't have one prepared, you can help them build it. If it's incomplete or inaccurate, underwriting, it's going to slow underwriting down. And as a broker, you should review the debt schedule yourself before submitting the deal, because once it hits underwriting, inconsistency create friction. In bottom line, a clean debt schedule makes the lender confident. So it's going to end up turning into a deal, and then deals obviously equal commission. So a messy one creates hesitation. Hesitation kills speed, and with everything, it kills deals. So if you and I are working on any of the term loan, SBA loan, or a larger credit line, you're going to get an email from me requesting a debt schedule to start the process, a completed application, which can be any application, yours or ours. We really just use that to pre-qualify the client to see if they do qualify for one of these products. Most recently filed business tax return, the debt schedule, which is attached, you see that here, and then the last 6 months of business bank statements. With that, we can submit the app, we can look it over in-house to see if this client, qualifies. And then in doing so, we can offer them the appropriate product at that point. So I hope this helps explain what a debt schedule is, because I had a couple questions. This YouTube channel, I'm going to be using it to answer, questions that, I receive usually on a daily basis. So if you have a question, feel free to post it in the comments, and I will go, and I'm not saying the next video, but one of these videos, I'll go ahead and answer that for you. All right, hope this helps.